Welcome to all viewers of Easy Math Solution. Today I am going to solve one question based on train. So what is the question? First let us see. A 280 meter long train crosses a platform thrice of its length in 50 seconds. Find the speed of the train. So here I would like to say two things, that when a train crosses a man standing or a tree or a pole, it actually crosses its own length. Similarly, when a train crosses a bridge or a platform or another train standing at a station, then it will cross its own length plus the length of the bridge or pole or the train. So, keeping in these two things in mind, we have to solve train mathematics. So now, here it is the length of train is 280 meters. The length of platform is thrice of a train. That means 280 into 3. It is 840 meters. The train has to cross all this length while crossing the platform. So it is 1120 meters. According to question, it takes 50 seconds to cross this 1120 meters. So in 50 seconds, it crosses 1120 meters. So in 1 hour or 3600 second, 1 hour is converted to second. In 1120 divided by 50 into 3600. So it is 72. The answer is 80640 meters. The speed is here meter per second. Meter per second. If we convert this one to hour per kilometer, then it will be 80.640 kilometer per hour. This is the answer. If you like this video, then share it with others. It can be helpful to other students. Thank you.